Take a moment to check out the 2022 Subaru Outback. With less than 10,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. This comfortable and connected Outback answers the call of your adventurous spirit. Loaded with passenger amenities, this versatile compact SUV is eager to hit the road or the trail so you can follow your heart's desire. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: pre-collision system, lane departure warning, all-wheel drive, keyless entry, hands-free liftgate, backup camera, keyless start, power liftgate, premium sound system, power passenger seat. Get the capability you've been dreaming of in this Outback. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.